Welcome to Kolkata Interior for Children Room Interior Designing in Kolkata and affordable costs. Our designer designing is world-class and affordable cost. We provide best and most efficient services like fitting of furniture, false ceiling lighting, wallpapers, painting etc. at competitive prices. Our designers have designed this children room according to the requirement of our customer in Ripon Street area of Kolkata. Total budget for room interior designing is 2 lakh rupees. If you want to do interior designing and complete decoration of your children's room in this kind of budget with less or more, then definitely contact Kolkata Interior Designers. 9 feet or 11 feet bedroom size. See how our designers have designed a beautiful children room interior including bed furniture, wardrobe, LCD unit, and a beautiful dressing table, false ceiling design, wallpaper, wall painting. Everything is beautifully arranged and designed. This children room interior design is a very favorite of our customers' family. You can get the best of our service and receive best interior design for your children room. Have a look at our website to know more about us. We are one-stop solution for all your interior designing needs in Kolkata as well as Howrah, West Bengal. Make your children's bedroom as perfect as they are. Our interior designers can make your child's bed, wardrobe, study table and play area in their own style. We have experts who know the ins and outs of children's room. They have worked with many clients and have an idea of what works best with their colors and style. 9 feet or 11 feet bedroom size. See how our designers have designed a beautiful children room interior including bed furniture, wardrobe, LCD unit, and a beautiful dressing table, false ceiling design, wallpaper, wall painting. Kolkata Interiors is the only place where you can get the interior designing of your choice at a very low cost. WhatsApp Interior Designers Kolkata for instant details about your interior designing and decoration services.